Hey, what's up folks? In this project, we're making a square LED display with NeoPixels in CircuitPython. This project uses the 8x8 NeoMatrix and a 3D printed grid with a piece of acrylic to create a square pixel display. We designed a 3D printed case and fitted the Feather M4 Express on the back. The effect is created by blocking out each pixel and diffusing the LEDs with a special piece of acrylic. The Proto FeatherWing makes it so you can easily swap out the board, which is nice if you want to upgrade to something with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The FeatherWing allows for that extra bit of modularity, so you can upgrade this with any number of feathers. This special material goes by black LED acrylic and has some interesting optics. The further the material gets from a light source, the softer the diffusion. Typical acrylic like this tinted gray is really opaque and it doesn't offer any diffusion. The black LED acrylic is essentially designed for LEDs, so it's much better in comparison. This example code is part of the LED animation library for CircuitPython. It shows how to use the pixel map helper to easily create horizontal and vertical grids. The Learn Guide covers best use cases and features demo code that you can quickly put together. We think it's a great way to get started with NeoPixels, and CircuitPython makes it easy to get up and running. The CAD assembly snap fits together and features built-in standoffs for securing the NeoMatrix. 3D models of the PCB and components were used to create parts with precise fittings. You can get the parts to build this project, links are in the description. The enclosure parts can be 3D printed without any support material using PLA filament. The NeoMatrix and Proto FeatherWing are connected with a JST cable for a plug-and-play assembly. Be sure to check out the Learn Guide for a full step-by-step tutorial. The 3D printed grid features cutouts for fitting over the caps on board the NeoMatrix. This allows the grid to be pressed up against the surface and prevents any of the light from leaking. The piece of acrylic fits inside the cover and rests over the lip so it doesn't fall out. The cover fits over the grid and snap fits over the edges of the PCB mount. Definitely check out the 8x8 NeoMatrix from Adafruit. It's a nice board with lots of pixels and mounting holes, so you can make some cool projects with it. I hope you try out CircuitPython in your next project, and don't forget to make a great day.